In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Pipedrive pipeline. We'll walk through the simplest, fastest way to create a new pipeline from scratch, and by the end, you'll have a basic structure in place that you can customize for your own sales process. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at the main dashboard. To begin, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Deals icon. This is where all of your active pipelines and deals live, and it's the main workspace you'll use to track opportunities as they move through your stages. Once you're on the Deals page, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the name of your current pipeline displayed there. Click on that pipeline name to open the drop-down menu. This menu lets you switch between existing pipelines, but it's also where you go when you want to create a new one. In that drop-down, look for the option that says New Pipeline with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. Pipedrive will now open a fresh, blank pipeline layout for you to configure. At the top of this new view, you'll see a field where you can type a name for your pipeline. Click into that field and give your pipeline a clear, descriptive name that matches your process. For example, you might name it something like New Business Sales or Customer Onboarding. A good name makes it easier for your team to quickly understand what deals belong here. Next, you'll want to set up the stages of your pipeline. These stages represent the key steps a deal goes through, from the moment it enters your process until it's won or lost. To adjust these, look for the small pencil icon next to the pipeline name, or the plus icons that appear between the existing columns. Click either the pencil to rename stages or the plus icons to add new ones. Take a moment to rename each stage so it matches your real workflow. For example, you might have stages like qualified, proposal sent, and negotiation. You can always refine these later, but starting with something that reflects how you actually sell will make your pipeline immediately useful. When you're happy with your stages and the overall layout, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Save Changes. This step is important because it makes sure all of your new pipeline settings are stored and ready to use. And that's it. You've just created a new Pipedrive pipeline with the minimum number of clicks, and you're ready to start adding deals and tracking your progress.